Welcome to Walid Equipment Rental. Our enormous spectrum of services encompasses wide range of heavy and light equipment for sale and on rental basis. Walid is proficient in technical expertise and they can provide complete solution for your equipment needs. We provide equipments for complete lifting solutions such as diesel boom lift, electric man lift, scissor lift, spider lift, truck mounted boom lift, up to 70 meters height, crane 25 ton to 500 ton, spider crane, material handlers such as diesel forklift, a range of industrial equipment such as diesel welding machine, TIG or MIG or stick welder, power generator, air compressor arm, tower light, along with earth-moving equipments on daily, weekly and monthly rental basis. We also provide a wide range of new and used top brand equipments for sale at a very attractive prices.